Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best fat fire folding electric bike under $2,000 on Aliexpress. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Aliexpress 1000 watt folding electric bike. It also B-frame is made of durable 6061 aluminum alloy. Lightweight aluminum alloy frame, front and rear double oil spring suspension structure. 20-inch 4.0-inch fat tire, all-terrain fat tire. The width is 10 cm, anti-skid and anti-vibration, fit for kinds of roads. Front-rear hydraulic disc brake with power-off function can effective reduce the brake distance. 1000 watt high-speed motor reduce power wastage and increase endurance. The torque reaches 95 Nm without deformation. Imported German Hall chip, sign processing is timely and stable, and not easy to damage. This bike max speed 30 to 50 km per hour, 48 volt 15 ampere hour large capacity battery. Strong output. The endurance is up to 50 km by full electric mode, 100 km by pedal assist mode. 2 charging ways: charge on the bike and take out the battery to charge. 3 riding modes: twist the throttle to enter the full electric mode, switch the riding modes according to the road condition. It also be ergonomic saddle design, wider and softer, more comfortable. LCD meter displays the actual speed, mileage, power, battery voltage, fault analysis, etc., which will add more fun to your riding and provide more safety. Number 4. Aliexpress 1000 watt folding electric bike. The frame is made of R-grade aluminum alloy, which is light in weight. The stable and compressive type is better, can handle the higher weight. New energy 12.8 Ah lithium battery, import battery management system. This battery have 6 types of protection. The battery can be removed and charged, or it can be charged directly in the bike. Electric battery life 30 to 40 km, auxiliary battery life 60 to 90 km, and speed up to 40 km per hour. 48 voltage 1000 watt brushless motor, imported PA 66 row reduction gear. The torque reaches 95 Nm without deformation. Imported German Hall chip, sign processing is timely and stable, and not easy to damage. ZOD oil disc brake system. MX-01 adopts domestic famous ZOD hydraulic oil brake. The brake feel and stability are greatly improved, and it has higher security. 4.0 mountain fat tire, 1000 watt superpower. The wider the tire width, pass through obstacles, resist impact, reduce bumps, and achieve car-like comfort. It also be vector power saving, highly integrated control elements. Transmission rate is higher than industry. The ergonomic design of the bicycle half-handlebar set has a lower failure rate and is non-slip. Fully cooperate with your every acceleration start. Front probe type LCD screen, high-definition LCD display instrument, accurate power display, speed and riding mileage to give your riding escort. Number 3. Aliexpress 1000 watt folding electric bike. The frame is made of aero-frame aluminum alloy, which is light in weight. The triangular structure conforms of the mechanical design. The stable and compressive type is better, can handle the higher weight. 1000 watt brushless motor, imported PA 66 row reduction gear. The torque reaches 95 Nm without deformation. Imported German Hall chip, sign processing is timely and stable, and not easy to damage. 26-inch 4.0-inch professional mountain bike tire. The wider the tire width, the better the ride resistance and impact resistance. It can reduce the bumps and make it as comfortable as a car. 48 voltage 17 ampere hour lithium battery as power source for electric vehicles. Lithium batteries have the advantages of long life, large capacity, and light weight. Depending on your preference, you can put the battery on the bike to charge or remove the battery and take it to your home or office to charge. This bike 3 works modes like pedal assist mode, fully electric mode, and manual mode. This bike maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. It also be dual hydraulic disc brake system. It can conquer all terrains like off-road with comfortable riding experience. And when you brake, the power will automatically cut off. 3.5-inch LCD display meter. The display with night mode LCD ensure visibility at night, shows mileage and speed and battery level, and recommend you when need to prepare for next charging. Number 2. Richbit 1000 watt folding electric bike. It also 6061 alloy aluminum foldable bicycle frame. The 48-volt brushless motor is specialized for the high-power battery 1000 watt 17 ampere-hour, the stronger power and long duration in the cycling. 48-volt 17 ampere-hour with LG battery call guarantee for its using life. 17 ampere-hour means long range with on a full battery charge. Two models can reach long distance. 4.0 Chaoyang fat bike tire. The tires that Richbit choose with good quality and the grips on various terrains. The speedometer display is not only for the spot monitor in the cycling, but also for the battery monitor. Make the radar be sure of the battery and its paid. Safer weighting height. Adopt terrain and snow weather with a higher waterproof performance. You can ride safely even in rainy days. Always charge for electronic, mobile devices. Convenient and practical. To solve the long-distance ride, the electronic equipment power will be inadequate. Number 1. Aoster Motor S18 750 watt folding electric bike. It also 6061 aluminum alloy frame. It also be strong driving force, 750 watt high magnification brushless motor, more than excellence. 48 volt 15 ampere-hour high capacity removable battery, so the distance is no longer troublesome. 4 to 6 hours of charging time, rejuvenate immediately. 26-inch 4.0-inch fat tires provide maximum contact in any road condition for optimum traction and steadiness. Wherever your dreams lead you, Aoster Motor will take you there. The maximum range distance is from 35 to 70 km, 35 km of range boosted by throttle, and 70 km of range by pedal assist. 3 modes of riding as like human riding mode, electric mode, and power assisted mode. This bike maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. It also be dual hydraulic disc brake system. It can conquer all terrains like off-road with comfortable riding experience, and when you brake, the power will automatically cut off. Multifunction intelligent LCD display. This display show the speed, mileage, and state of battery's charge.